Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome. Today we're going to be cooking a very delicious oven fried turkey wings. Okay, very delicious. But guys, I just hope you guys just using this time to stay safe, you know, take precautions. This is unusual time for us. Stay safe. And thank you all my supporters, all my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. I love you guys. And this one is aired right after Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day if I didn't get a chance to say it to you guys before. Happy Mother's Day. And if you're not mothers, planning to be mothers, happy Mother's Day anyway. Alright? And to the guys, happy Mother's Day just the same, because without the fathers them can't have the mother. They don't know that. But I have all the ingredients them line out here. I'm gonna put all the amounts in the description below so you guys can see. Alright? Stay tuned. Yeah, this oven fried turkey, guys. This oven fried turkey wings. Oh man, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. This is a regular recipe for we. We cook this one all the time. All the time. Just now, I chop up the turkey wing chop up, you know. So I soak it, I wash it and soak it with some lime juice. So I'm gonna drain it off right now. Drain off the water and the lime juice so nice and fresh. And then I'm gonna just throw it in the pot. We're gonna season up everything in her. But before we go no further, I just have to stop because I never mentioned in the intro. But this, my wife, I get a recipe here from. Because, you know, coming from Jamaica, we don't cook a lot of, I've never cooked turkey in Jamaica, to be honest with you. I'm coming to America, my wife, when I meet Gabby, she used to be cooking turkey all the time. I never used to like turkey because I had that thing about that dry turkey, when you slice off the turkey after that whole turkey, I never used to like it. But this turkey wing recipe what she teach me, when she give me it the first time, I'm like, wow, this thing tastes good. I never learned to make this for myself. Yeah, I never teach that recipe or and it become a staple recipe for me ever since. Cookie. Same pot we dump it out and I'm going to season up in the same pot, we're going to steam it in, alright? No special order. Adding my onion. Just not type of big pieces. I'm going to steam. Adding my scallion. I have some chopped garlic. So I go add in 2 nice spoons, 2 healthy spoons. Garlic. Couple grains of pimiento. About 2 tablespoons all-purpose. A tablespoon of salt. Some cayenne pepper. This at the thyme I have the thyme leaf right here. So just sprinkle some of it. And I have none of the green thyme. Some black pepper. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of paprika. And we need a color that the paprika gives right now, and a nice smoky taste. 3 packets of Sazon. And this one I have here for right now. This about 5 pounds of turkey. Let me get a stir. Turn on the stove. Rasta. Alright, the next step, we're gonna just make, just in case I forgot to mention, it's best if you had like a cup or 2 cups of water in it. You know, just to make sure so the turkey have enough moisture to go and steam properly. Alright, and turkey kind of tough most times, so probably about half an hour to 40 minutes. You make it go and boil or steam. It's going to make it, the longer it stay for steam, like the 40 minutes, it's going to come out nice and gummy, and you transfer it from out of this into the file container and put it in the oven. Alright? After 40 minutes, we are going to just turn the stove off right now. You know, because it done steam. And we're going to transfer it to the file container in a second. Look at that steam. But we're gonna make that stay and cool for around 10 minutes before we transfer it to the file container. Alright guys?
I just want to let you guys know this is my recipe.
Wow.
I don't know if you mentioned it before. So, you know, I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.
After about 10 minutes of cool, a time to transfer them in the file container. I already spray the file container with some olive oil spray to make sure so none of the turkey not really stick to the container. So we're gonna transfer the turkey right now. We already turned on the oven already to preheat the oven, and we turn the oven to 430 degrees right now. Alright, we have to spray some olive oil over it too, because you don't know, you want the oven to kind of fry it. Yeah man, everything transferred, the oil spray on it. And stuff are ready for going in the oven right now. And we're good to go. Leave it in the oven for the next half an hour, and we have some delicious oven fried turkey ready for you guys. Yeah man, I know me just like magic just make the switch come back to this. You know me, I said me no longer the beautiful assistants. But right now we're gonna look about the sauce, you understand? The same gravy, the same thing we steam down the turkey in. All you need to do right now, to be honest, is just drop some Irish potato in it, nice cut up, some carrot. You can put any type of vegetable you like in your sauce or your gravy, whichever one you call it. And some ketchup sauce to thicken it up. Give it a stir. And this sauce, all you need to do now, drop a little butter in it and just make it go and simmer for the next 15 minutes. And we're good to go with this right now. See it? Hit up a medium heat. Just add in some butter and just go and make it just simmer down. The sauce there, so a bubble. For it as I say, only 15 minutes in it for so until the Irish potato boil and so, and the thicken down a little bit. And then the turkey in the oven half an hour, and this should be done. In the meantime, we go and use the opportunity to cut up the vegetables and thank the subscribers then. Thank you guys. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, subscribe. Please, what are you waiting for? Alright? Alright, half an hour pass. Time to step out. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Turn off the oven. Right away guys, as soon as the turkey come out, You just dump this on it. Dump all the vegetable and just make it smoother. Alright guys, and then when these vegetables, when you throw in all of them onions and sweet pepper and hot scotch bonnet pepper and let them just sizzle on the hot turkey, them raw vegetables that give it a nice flavor. We do a pork recipe was similar to this one. Yeah, this is just let this stay this way. Before serving, I make it stay like about 10 minutes. You know? You can even put a foil covering over the top for help go and steam the vegetables them. I want to thank you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for always being here with me. Yo, that turkey are bad. This turkey, this, bad. You guys need to try it. Remember me tell you, you're not gonna love it. Some of the pieces, like I want to make the sauce, some of the pieces we can just take out of the container and just drop in the sauce. Make it just go and soak some of the gravy. So then you're gonna eat it without some rice or so it come like with it. Bad, me I tell you. Bad. But thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Spicy too, you know. Sweat. Ha!